Hollywood, Netflix, Animate Studio. They all use this one effect to make their scenes look cinematic and professional. Sharp character, blurred background, or two characters, one in focus and one blurred out. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing inside FlipaClip. No extra app, no editing software, just a simple trick, and it takes less than 20 seconds. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you two things: how to blur your background while keeping your character sharp, and how to blur one character while keeping another one in focus. Same trick, two powerful uses. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe and welcome to Toonz Academy. Now, before this trick can work, you have to have your element, that is your background, and characters on separate layer. Your background must be on its own layer while your character must be on separate layer. And when you have done this, you are ready to go. Now, let's get down to the case number one. The first case is that we are going to blur the background and keep our character sharp, as we already have our character on its own layer and also our background on separate layer. Our business in this case is with the background. So what we have to do now is that on FlipaClip, you have to highlight your background or your character to move it around. So how do you do this? You click on this lasso tool, which is circled for us, and once you've done that, you highlight the background so that you can zoom in or zoom out or move it as you want to do with your background. So in this case, we are going to zoom in the background very well. We're going to zoom it in deep based on how you want the density of the blurriness of your background to be. So you zoom it in, and once you've zoomed in to the level that you want, you release it, and thereafter you highlight it again, then you take it out. Now you see that your background is now blurred. Compare it to the original background, which is sharp, and now this is the background that we have blur, zoom in, and now you have your background blur and your character is sharp. Now let's get down to the second case. So in this case, we have two characters in our scene. We have the front character and we have the background character. So now we're going to blur the character on the background and keep the character at the foreground in focus, very sharp. So how do we go about this? Same trick applies. All you need to do is to have that other character on separate layer as we've done in the first case. So as we have our second character on separate layer, what we need to do as well is to highlight this character same way, zoom it in to the level that you want the blurriness to be. Once you zoom in with your lasso tool, then you release. Thereafter you highlight it again, then take it back to its normal position. As you have it, now you can see the difference between the first character and the second character. You can see the character in focus, the character which you want the audience to focus on, and the one you want the audience to have less focus on. With this makes your animation cinematic and interesting to watch. If this helped you, ensure you like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe. In the next tutorial, we are going to be treating how you can add background to your cartoon, courtesy of Aliyu, as you've requested for in our last post. Animators, I'll see you in the next tutorial. This is Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.